To better understand how we can assist you, could you share which processes in your business currently require the most manual effort? Also, have you implemented any form of automation in these areas yet?
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Tim Vance, your AI and automation expert here at Vance Global Consulting. We specialize in helping businesses streamline their operations, boost efficiency, and drive growth through cutting-edge AI and automation solutions. Today, I have an exciting tutorial for you. Whether you're looking to automate your workflows, enhance customer interactions, or optimize your sales process, we're here to make it happen. In this video, we're diving into how to leverage the VAPI API alongside Make.com to create dynamic voice agents for your outbound sales calls. Whether you're looking to automate your prospecting process, improve your cold calling strategies, or simply save time and resources, this setup is going to be a game changer for your business. So make sure you stick around and let's get started on automating your sales process like a pro. All right, guys. So when you log into Make.com, create a new scenario. And in my scenario here, I've only got two modules that I have set up that I'm going to use. It's going to be a pretty simple scenario. We can add onto this as we go. So this can be a multi-part series that we'll discuss right now. But just to start, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Google Sheet, which I've created here. I'm going to add a header row. So I'm going to add first name, last name, phone number, email, city, state. We could use a CRM if you'd rather use a CRM for this. But just for purposes of showing you how this is, I'm going to use the Google Sheet here. Obviously, when we do this for our clients, we do much more in-depth integration. So this is going to be a very broad overview of just kind of getting things working for yourself. If you want us to do this for you as a customer, just feel free to reach out. I'll leave my information in the description of the video. You can go to our website. You can set up a time on the calendar link, and we can go through a consultation of exactly what it would take and what it would cost for us to do this for you. But like I said, let's jump right in. So inside of this is where we're going to keep the information about our prospects. If you don't have a VAPI account yet, go in and sign up for a VAPI account. The nice thing about VAPI is you can go in. The costs are fairly competitive in the market. I think it's a better deal than SynthFlow, which is one of the other tools that's out there. But you can go in, you can buy a phone number, you can use files, tools, you can set up squads if you want multiple different roles in the organization and back and forth. But really, not a lot of this matters for what we're doing right here. What we're actually doing right here is we're going to use our API key. So I'm not going to show you my API key. If you go down to your profile, you click on API keys. What's going to happen is it's going to take you to this page. You're going to create an API key. If you don't have one, click Add Key, copy it, and then you're going to be able to use it in your header of your HTTP request when you're in Make.com to create this. So this first option here is just going to be to set up the where the data is coming from. So like I said, if you're going to use Google Sheets like I'm using in the walkthrough, you can. If you want to use like Airtable, or if you want to use a MySQL database, if you've got a CRM that you're going to be pulling data from, you can use that as well. But just for purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use Google. I go to YouTube or YouTube videos, prospecting list, sheet name, new prospects. That's fine. One, save. Oh, now we're going to have to go through here, though. We're going to have to go in and edit all of these. So, first name. This is going to first name. Going to be first name, name, number. All right, let's try running it and see how it works. Phone's ringing. I don't know how well this will pick up on my audio, but let's see what it does.
Streamline their efficiencies with AI and automation. Do you have a quick moment to chat?
I do.
Great. Thank you, Tim. I appreciate you taking the time. At Vance Global Consulting, we focus on enhancing business operations through AI and automation. Our goal is to help companies do so, minimize repetitive tasks, and ultimately increase profitability. To better understand how we can assist you, could you share which processes in your business currently require the most manual effort? Also, have you implemented any form of automation in these areas yet?
I mean, the most manual form that we have probably is our prospecting. I've got sales reps that go out there and they make phone calls or go door to door or stop in on businesses. And it's really time consuming. I don't see a lot of results, but I really don't know how to automate that.
Thank you for sharing that, Tim. Prospecting can indeed be one of the most time-consuming and challenging parts of sales, especially when done manually. Automation can significantly enhance this process by identifying and qualifying leads more efficiently, allowing your sales reps to focus on engaging with the most promising prospects rather than spending time on initial outreach and qualification. Here's how we can help. One for one, we can implement systems that automatically gather data on potential leads from various sources. Analyze this data to determine fit and intent, and then segment these leads based on predefined criteria. This helps in prioritizing efforts and targeting the right businesses. 2. Automation tools can also manage initial contact with potential leads through personalized emails or messages that are triggered based on specific actions or behaviors. This ensures timely and relevant communication, increasing the chances of engagement. 3. With AI tools, you can get real-time insights into which strategies are working and which aren't, allowing for quick adjustments.
Alex, are you an AI bot yourself?
Yes, I am an AI developed by OpenAI to assist provide information based on your. If you have any more questions about how AI and automation can help streamline the business process, ask.
Yeah, we also have a low following on social media. Is that something that you guys can help me increase?
Absolutely, Tim. Enhancing your social media is a key area where AI and automation can be highly effective. Here's how we can help boost your social media following and engagement. 1. We can implement tools that automate the scheduling of posts across various platforms at optimal times to maximize reach and engagement. This ensures your social presence is consistent without requiring constant manual input. 2. Using AI, we can optimize your advertising campaigns by analyzing data to identify your target audience and determine the most effective messaging and ad placements. This helps in attracting the right people to your social media pages. 3. Automation can also be used to monitor social media for mentions of your brand and automatically respond to comments and queries. This increases engagement by making your followers feel heard and cared for, encouraging further interaction and loyalty. 4. AI can analyze the preferences and behaviors of your audience to suggest personalized content that resonates with your followers. This not only helps in retaining the existing audience, but also attracts new followers due to relevant and engaging content. 5. Advanced analytics. You can get detailed reports on the performance of your social media activities.
Those sound amazing.
I'm glad to hear that you find these options appealing, Tim. Implementing these AI and automation strategies can significantly enhance your social media presence and make your prospecting proposition, bring up your team to higher value interactions and strategies. If you're interested, we can set up a more detailed consultation to dive deeper into your specific needs, how our solutions can be tailored to fit your business. We can discuss timelines, potential costs, and expected outcomes to ensure everything aligns with your goals. Would you like to schedule this consultation, and if so, when would be a convenient time for you?
I mean, yeah, that sounds amazing. Can we do tomorrow at 10 a.m.?
That sounds perfect, Tim. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. it is. I'll send a calendar invite to your email to confirm the time, and I'll include a link to a virtual meeting room and discuss everything in detail. Looking forward to our conversation and exploring how we can help enhance your business operations and social media presence.
Thanks
for considering our. You're welcome, Tim. I'm looking forward to our meeting. Have any questions to reach out. Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
There you have it, guys. So in the next video, I will walk you through how to easily set up those outbound chat bots, how to build out that JSON code. I've actually got it down to a science here at Vance Global Consulting. We built the AI around it to produce the perfect script based off of whatever industry you have. But I'll give you a quick walkthrough on just how to build it out so that you know the format itself. It does take a lot of time if you want to build out something that's going to build out the perfect script. I won't go into all the detail on that because it's taken months for us to, kind of, manipulate to where it gives you the greatest script, kind of like what you just heard. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching this video. If you did like it, found it useful, please leave us a like. Make sure you comment down below any questions that you have, what you'd like to see in the next video. Subscribe to the channel, put that notifications bell on so that when we come out with new content, you're able to see it. But we appreciate all your love, support. Glad to have you watching the videos and looking forward to chatting with you next time. Happy automating.